Hi guys, so I'm doing a Balinese vegetable curry today. So I've got some beans, kidney beans, coconut milk, pak choy, spring onions, onion, ginger, garlic, and some Balinese spice mix that I'm going to use for the curry. So firstly I'm going to use some coconut oil to fry up the onions, garlic and ginger. Also at the same time I chopped up my pak choy, so I've chopped up the stem part and the green part of the pak choy, so we use that all as well. So we have a lovely Balinese spiced tamarind paste, and it's got loads of flavours already in there like galangal, lemongrass, sugar, cinnamon, cardamom, so it adds great flavour to the curry dish if you haven't got time to make a paste from scratch. So I kind of just mix it in with the onions, and then I add in my potatoes and those stem parts of the pak choy and just get everything a mix, and then add in the coconut milk and let it simmer in the coconut milk. When that's been cooking for a while, then add in your kidney beans or chickpeas, whatever you choose, and the leaves from the pak choy in at the last minute. So I'm going to serve this with some basmati and some wild rice mixed together. So I'm going to soak it in some water for about 30 minutes or so before I pop it on the hob to cook.